So train with WK you will learn about tryParse. It's a part 5. So let's start. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe to with WK so you will learn programming, technologies and much more about. So let's start. So this was the end.path. So we are going to comment here. We are just I have taken a bool variable, an integer variable and string variable. So bool will return us true and false. So integer will hold the integer value, string will hold the string value. It's in quotation. So we are using in dot tryParse. We have last time we have used in dot parse and now we are using in dot tryParse. So it will return us a true and false. So we are holding a result and we are using a out keyword result. So you will get result here. So if it will true, it will return us true. If it will false, so it will return us a false variable. So let's check the output. So you have to write here console you can run. So you can check here it is returning as a true value. So because it's true, and now we are just changing the value. So now it will return as a false. You can check here. So this is our topic about tryParse. So please comment us if you want to more detail about these technologies.